Hi guys, Reg here, your inspiring Cebuano vlogger, and I am back with another mini vlog. And for today's video, samahan niyo po kami sa Suba, Argao para mag-attend ng 85th birthday ni Lola Huling. Sila po ay family friend namin at isa sila sa mga loyal customers namin ng isda. Last year pa lang sinabihan na ako ni Mama na may okasyon kaming aatenan ngayong buwan na to, kaya naman naglaan talaga kami ng oras. January 9 yung birthday ni Lola Huling, but it was celebrated January 10 para mas marami yung maka-attend. And yes po, ito po yung nag-viral na 20 yung hinanda nilang lechon, 4 yung ginamit for other dishes, and isang lechong baka at iba pang mga handa. And yes guys, it was not planned overnight. Years po nila itong pinaghandaan to celebrate the 85 wonderful years of Lola Huling. At saka yung mga animals po na ginamit nila for the celebration, it was raised and cared properly by their family months ago na din para sa celebration na ito. And guys, grabe, sobrang daming bisita nitong araw na to. And lahat ng dumating, as in, I saw it with my own eyes. Lahat ng dumating pinakain nila and everyone really enjoyed the celebration. So there you go. Ito na po yung mga clips sa birthday ni Lola Huling, and enjoy watching!
Bata na sa danan, napil mong kaon.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, are celebrating her 85th birthday today. Mga kaisuna, let's give it up for Lola. Now, my God, we have Lola Huling. Check mic test 1 2 3.